is Sharon Palmer. I'm a registered dietitian and I'm going to show you how to make Spanish avocado salad. To make our Spanish avocado salad, I've sliced 4 cups of romaine lettuce and I will arrange those on my platter. A nice salad platter will work. Then after that, we have 2 medium oranges, fresh oranges that have been sectioned. So we'll arrange those on the salad, just randomly arrange it for color and distribution. This can also be substituted for grapefruit, which is really nice in this recipe. This is a very traditional salad combination that you might find in Latin countries and in parts of Spain. And then we have 1 sliced avocado. We'll arrange that over the salad next. After that, we have 3 stalks of green onions that we'll sprinkle over, sliced green onions. So we have all the beautiful colors and flavors from these combinations. Then we make a simple vinaigrette that starts with 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil that we'll add, and 1/8 teaspoon of cumin, which adds a nice kind of a Latin flavor. And we can add a pinch of black pepper and sea salt if you prefer. We'll whisk this together to make a little vinaigrette, very simple and easy and fresh. And then we will drizzle this over our salad. And there we have a beautiful Spanish salad with the citrus and the avocado and the green onion shining through. This has been Sharon Palmer, and I just showed you how to make Spanish avocado salad.